everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I thought, since it's been a really long time since I've done a Fab Fit Fun unboxing, that I am going to unbox my fall 2022 Fab Fit Fun box for you guys and show you all of the goodies that I have selected for my personalized box. But before we get started, if you are not familiar with Fab Fit Fun, they are a seasonal subscription box delivering happiness and well-being to everyone, everywhere in the US and Canada. You get access to member-exclusive sales to your favorite brands, giving you up to 70% off, and they're the most flexible membership out there. You can either decide to purchase one box for a season just to try it out, or they have their annual membership. So if you're interested in trying Fab Fit Fun out for the first time and you just want to start off with one box, you can use my code EMILYFFF at checkout to get your first box at a discounted rate of $44.99. And of course, before we get started, I do want to let you guys know that I have partnered with Fab Fit Fun on this video and that all opinions and impressions are of my own. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here is the design for the fall 2022 box. I love how colorful this one is. It seems really, really fun. It's super different from some of the other fall boxes that I've gotten in the past. It actually feels kind of summery to me in a way, but nonetheless, I really like the colors. Never mind, the inside has fall leaves on it, so it is still pretty fall-esque. And I guess upon looking at it, it is like fall colored trees, so just don't listen to me. I wasn't paying enough attention, okay? So we're gonna get right into the first thing that I'm just pulling right out of the box, and that is this Phantom Chef 8-inch fry pan. Here's what the box looks like. It comes in this beautiful blue color here. This I really wanted because I am somebody who doesn't often spruce up my kitchen appliances or cooking tools, and I will use a pan until it is unusable. I'm pretty sure that I have a bunch of pans from 8 years ago from my bridal shower, and they're still doing well, which I'm sure a good pan should last a lifetime, but some of them definitely need to be replaced. So this for sure is one I'm really excited to use. Now I will say I'm a pretty neutral gal, so blue is not typically a color I would choose, but I think blue sometimes can be a neutral. I don't know. That's how I feel. Maybe I'm wrong. I do think that it is very beautiful. This handle this handle here is really, really soft. It has this beautiful like wood grain looking texture. I'm not sure if it is made out of wood. I'm going to suss it out a little bit to see. But anyways, upon looking at the box, it has an ergonomic handle. It's dishwasher suitable. It's non-stick. It works on all cooktops. It is not suitable to be put into the oven, which I think most pans typically are like that. Again, I'm no chef, but it is PFOA free and PTFE free. I sound like I know what that means, but I don't know what it means. So this looks really fun. I feel like this is perfect for fall because I don't know about you, but I definitely do a lot more stovetop cooking in the fall time when it comes to chilies and soups and stuff, because I live in the Midwest and it does get quite cold in the fall. So we always like to have a nice warm home cooked meal on the weeknights, the weekends, everything. So I really, really love this. And this is the only product I have not tried yet, because I wanted it to look brand new for the video. That's really the only reason I haven't used it yet. But I do think it's beautiful. I definitely think it is worth, if you're into sprucing up your kitchen or cooking, I feel like this will be something that you will really want to have in your box. All right, this next piece, I feel like I have to back up a little bit because it's gonna be a bit tough to show you guys on camera, just like how beautiful and big this is. But I chose this gentle fawn scarf. Love the fringe detail on it. It is really, really soft and actually a lot thicker than I expected it to be. I honestly, when I saw it from the categories of being able to pick what products I chose, I felt like it was gonna be a little thinner, more of a fall summer transition scarf. This is full on like fall winter in the Midwest scarf. Very, very thick and nice. It has a nice little color block detail. It's got this tan color, it has this mauve pink color, and then it has a nice cream color. And it goes like that all the way throughout the entire scarf, as you can see. So you can see kind of how big this is. It's so wide that it actually can be used as like a little shawl. I know it's hard to see with how close I'm sitting, but I really can't back up much further. But I just love a good thick scarf. I love being able to layer scarves and big sweaters in the fall. I love the colors of this. I don't own anything like this, so I don't know. This just spoke to me. Feels really fun and pretty, and it's going to be really warm for the fall. I also want to note that this is 100% polyester, so if that is not something that works well with you or you don't like the way that feels, then it probably isn't going to be the product for you, because there is no other material except polyester in this. One thing I will say about this product is that I noticed that it did shed kind of all over my like burnt orange top. Might be kind of hard to see. So that is something to note, which is kind of a bummer. But honestly, I probably would wear this with lighter color sweaters and t-shirts and stuff anyways, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. But I could see it being annoying if you're wearing like a dark pair of denim or something and there's all these little white fuzzies on there. That's always no fun. All right, the next product. This one, I gotta say, I was the most excited to get it, and when I received it, it just wasn't for me. And I'm so bummed about that because I really had high hopes for it. But this is the ASN hat. Obviously, I'm a lover of hats, but when I received this hat, I was really bummed to see that it was actually more of a floppy style, and there was no structure to the top. It's soft the whole way around. Part of that is my fault, because when I was investigating on like how good of a brand this is before I chose this item, like what does it look like on their website, I just went to their website to look at it, and the photo on their website, which I will put here, makes it look like it is a sturdier hat. Where I messed up is I didn't read the description, and it does state that it is a floppy boat hat, which I didn't even know what a boat hat was. Upon putting it on, I was like, oh, that's a boat hat. It's just not for me. I love the color, the material. It all feels really, really nice. So if this is your style, 100% get this. I don't look good in every hat. You may not even think I look good in this one. I don't know. I love this hat. I'm gonna wear it. You may not like the way this hat fits. I don't like the way this hat fits. It's just not for me. I know it just doesn't look good on me. All right, so here it is. We're doing this for science, but here it is. I just don't love it on me, and I don't like that it's floppy. I wish it was like structured. Maybe I'd like it more, but then I just don't like how I don't like that there's no structure going on up there, and I'm not a fan. It's not for me. I love the color. I don't think I'm ever going to wear this hat. Tell me in the comments what you think down below, but I personally don't love this hat on me. It doesn't mean I don't think this is a good hat. I just am saying it's not for me, and that's okay. I can admit my flaws or what doesn't work, but I don't think it's for me. I like the size of the brim of this, because this sometimes can be a bit big, but I don't like how floppy it is. I don't love floppy hats on myself. It's just an opinion. And then I do love this braid detail, but I will say that it doesn't stay put. I don't know if you can see that, but it like, you can move it around, and it like, I turn the hat around and then the other side kind of moves up. So I just personally don't like this hat. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'll probably give it to somebody that I know if they love it more than I do, but personally, it's not a bad hat. It's just not the hat for me, and I think that's okay. All right, moving right along. This is the Kate Somerville Vitamin B3 Vitamin C Serum. You use this in the morning and at night, and it's going to help brighten and even your skin tone. When I saw this, I was like, yes, because I use a vitamin B and C serum every day, and I am always down to try different brands to see what really truly is working well for my skin. My skincare journey has been a very long journey, and I feel like I'm finally getting to a place of knowing what works for my skin and what does not. And so I'm always down to try different serums because I feel like there are just so many out there. It's great to see what works and what doesn't. But having a vitamin C serum is very essential to my morning routine. This does say to use AM and PM. So anyways, I have been using this for a few days now. I received this box last week and I wanted to make sure that I tried out most of these products before coming on here and telling you what is good and what isn't. So this I really have been enjoying. It's very light. It doesn't like pill on my face like some other serums do. Some serums I've tried in the past just do not work. There's like a pillingness. It doesn't work. This has been really nice on my skin. Now, I love this because it is scent free. I can't stand when skincare is super scented. I don't like that. I like when things are very, very simple. So I love that this is not scented. Now, I will say when you first open this bottle, it's not a clear serum, so it did freak me out a little bit. It kind of looks like Dijon mustard, I'm not gonna lie. But it goes on the skin clear. It doesn't leave any kind of residue. It blends really well. And I have quite like the fair skin tone on my face before I apply a foundation, and I haven't had any issues with it. So I've been really, really enjoying this. This is what the box looks like. And this is 1 fluid ounce of serum. You only use a drop or 2. So I feel like this is going to last quite a while because this is a big bottle for a serum. And I've used Kate Somerville in the past and I've enjoyed some of her products. So I'm excited to see what this does for my skin. I'm excited to see what happens in the next, 30 days of using this, if it does truly brighten my skin tone. But so far I have been enjoying it and I don't have any complaints. Moving right along, this is the BLAQ Pumpkin Fresh Peepers. These are under eye gels. I used them this morning because I wanted to see how I felt, what they were like. So number 1, I was expecting them to be scented like pumpkin. They were not. They were completely scent-free, at least from what I can tell and from what I've been able to read on here. I don't think that there's any scent involved. Now, the only mistake I made is I forgot that I do typically put eye gels into the fridge and then use them for future use. So I didn't do that. So I didn't get the full effect. And these even state that you should keep them in a cool, dry place. So I do keep them in the fridge. So here's what they look like. It comes with 5. I have used 1, so I only have 4 left. And they are orange, just like that. They're called pumpkin peepers because although they don't smell like pumpkin, they are made with pumpkin extract. They're enriched with pumpkin extract fruit enzymes. It's like a nourishing salad for your peepers. Peepers. But I love a good eye gel. I love it. So lately, I've been sleeping super, super hard in the morning, like right before my alarm goes off, and I feel like my eyes are super puffy. So I do enjoy doing these every now and then when I feel like my face is extra puffy from sleeping hard, and I want to kind of refresh and wake up my skin before I start my day and my makeup routine. So these I really enjoy. If you want to add a little self-care to your Fab Fit Fun box, I highly recommend these because honestly they felt really nice, and I can't wait to see what they're like once I've stored them in the proper place before use. So we're on to our last and final product, which are these Frye boot socks. They come in a pair of 2. I love these. I think that I actually own a pair from a previous box. I'm a big boot sock wearer in the colder months because when it gets cold here, like I've said a million times, I have to bundle up inside no matter how much my heat is on. I feel like I have to wear a pair of socks with my leggings or sweatpants throughout the day, and it just helps me warm up a little bit. So it's always nice having another pair of boot socks to wear, like long socks. Love those, gotta stay warm. But these are so soft. They work for shoe sizes 5 to 10, and they're made with a beautiful silky bamboo blend. You can feel it once you get them. I just feel like this is something you cannot go wrong with to just add into your box. I feel like you won't be disappointed once you have these. They're just so soft and comfy, and I cannot have enough socks during the fall seasons. So you can see that they're just like a little boot sock. I think they don't go up super high. They're gonna go up past your ankle is what it sort of looks like, and you can kind of scrunch them down, but they're a nice thickness. They're not too heavy, so you won't get too hot. They're a really nice thickness to help warm you up during the colder months. But here's this gray color. This is one color, and then it does come with a black color as well. So you're getting 2 pairs and 2 different colors. You can't go wrong with these colors. You can't go wrong with a pair of socks in the fall. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite picks were, what you think think that you would choose from this box out of what I've chosen. Don't forget to use my code EMILYFFF at checkout to get your first box discounted at $44.99. I'm going to leave everything linked down below for you guys to shop. Don't forget, if you haven't already, to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. It helps me out so much, and I hope to see you guys next time.